Good morning, everybody. Have a soy milk for today. I have here French toast, and first we're going to make our coffee because mommy is so thirsty. Meron na tayong, what do you think of my coffee, guys? This is so big, look. As big as my face. Okay, so meron na tayong mocha. Gusto ko siya. Hershey's and this Nestle. Chocolate or coffee mocha. So, ayan siya. Masarap siya sa coffee, guys. Gusto ko siya. Medyo pait. So, what you feels like putting in your coffee, just go ahead. Today, meron tayong French toast. So, sa aking French toast, guys, para makita ninyo, ang gagawin ko sa aking French toast is, lagyan ko siya ng either Mrs. Buttersworth syrup or in chocolate siguro. And a combination of chocolate. How about that? Loaded, guys, loaded. Man, if you like some fruits, you can add your fruit. Oh, I should have got it first. Okay, you can add your strawberries. I have here strawberries dahil naka-market. Napunta kami ng groceries ngayon. Naka-market. Yes, I have here 4 strawberries. So, ayan lang gagawin ninyo. If you want fruits in the morning, then go ahead. And I still have here blueberries. Ayan si blueberries, guys. Ilagay natin si blueberries. And meron ako ditong kiwi. So, tingnan natin anong mukha nito. May kiwi. So, if you want fruits, so then go ahead, add your fruit. Oh, kompleto na ang ating breakfast. So, ayan siya. If you want banana, guys, then walang problema. Lagyan ninyo ng banana. Okay. So, meron tayong strawberry, blueberry, kiwi, and banana. How about that? Ooh, so pretty. So, ayan guys, para yung mga anak natin kakain din ng prutas. Dahil kung hindi ninyo bigyan, they will not eat, you know. So, what you have to do is, ayan na siya. Pakunti-kunti lang, dahil malaki na ito eh. This is my French toast. Ayan, either crepes ang gusto niyo sa umaga or crepes or French toast. So ito guys, sa pamilya ko guys, gusto nila mag-request mostly sa weekend. Gusto nila, they like okay, for my family on weekends guys, we like to make crepes or we like to make a French toast. So this is my French toast with all the ricados, guys. Meron tayo ditong banana, strawberry, kiwi, and blueberry. Okay, Victoria. Okay, guys, for breakfast. Para makita ninyo ang breakfast ko. Ayan siya. And ito si coffee. So, yan guys, ang ating French toast for breakfast. Tikin na nga. chocolate and Hershey syrup and what is this, honey? Oh, this is syrup for pancake. Bread lang siya, of course, bread, egg. Pero yung egg, you have to add milk para hindi siya heavy. This is good. Oh, chocolate pa more. Loaded, guys. Nasira na ang ating clothing diet nito. Kiwi. Banana. Ngayong umaga, ang order natin ng strawberry is sweet siya and organic. Ako guys, pag pumupunta ako sa store, hindi ako bibili ng organic dahil ayaw na asawa ko. Dahil alam niya na tae. Tae daw yun ng mga kabayo or baka, fertilizer. Ayaw niya yan. Sa Pilipinas, di ba, sa atin is fertilizer, mga ganun. Ayaw niya ng organic. Ito si Glory. So, kompleto ang ating umaga. French toast. Oh, so yummy. So guys, kumusta na kayo dyan sa Pilipinas? Hindi lang kayo ang nasa bahay. Kami rin dito sa ibang bansa. Okay na, lumalabas ka. Pumupunta ka sa ibang city. And syempre, you have to be very careful. Magdala ka ng spray para mapunta kayo ng mag-CR kayo, magdala kayo ng spray or wet wipes. You have to talaga, and then mag-gloves kayo para hindi tayo ma-anuhan ng sakit. French toast, lagyan ninyo siya ng milk ang ating egg dahil pag hindi nyo lagyan guys, medyo hard ang ating pagkaluto. So, ang French toast guys is out of bread. Loaf bread lang siya. Sliced bread. Ganun. And ito nga lumang bread siya. So, it's up to you guys. Yung lumang bread ninyo, gagawin ninyo ng masarap na French toast. Flip it over if it's brown. Oh, ayan lang siya. Please hit like and subscribe and smash that notification bell. Ayan guys, you smash it guys para sa susunod kong mga videos ma-notify kayo. And thank you very much. Please subscribe for 7 videos a week. Walang schedule siya guys, basta 7 videos. Pag hindi tinatamad si Mami, more than that. Thank you very much. If maluto nating French toast, dapat ilagay niyo siya ng towel para mag-absorb ang oil, okay? If magluto kayo ng French toast, dapat lagyan ninyo siya ng fruits. Dahil ito mga bata natin, hindi yun sila basta-basta kakain or asking for fruits, di ba? Para hindi lang sweets lahat ang ibigay mo sa kanya, you serve fruits too. I have here bananas, strawberries, blueberries, and kiwi.